Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma. Heartily welcome you in my maths class. Students, today I will teach you multiplication by a two-digit number by two-digit number. Yes, so take your notebooks and pencils with you and here we start. Yes, this you can understand with the help of one example. For example, multiply 35 by 23. So we will write firstly the digits according to their places. Ones, tens. There is 35, we will write according to that and multiplied by 23. So how to multiply this? See, 23, we have to multiply it by 23. 23, when we will write 23 in the expanded form, what you will get? 20 plus 3. What you will get? 20 plus 3. So firstly, 35 will be multiplied by 3. Then in second step, we will multiply 35 by 20. See how? Firstly, we will write 35 multiplied by 23. In first step, we will multiply 35 by 3. Yes, when you will multiply 35 by 3, what you will get? 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and plus 1. It will be 10. We will get 105. So we will write here 105. We have here multiplied 35 by 3. What we have done? 35 multiplied by 3. Yes, now 23 was written in expanded form. Here we have multiplied 35 by 3. This we have done. Then what will be our second step? That is 35 will be multiplied by 20. 35 will be multiplied by 20. Here is the multiplication by zeros. And how we will do that? We will multiply 35 by 2 and this 0 we will write with the answer of that multiplication. Yes, 35 multiplied by 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 and 1, 7. Yes, 35 multiplied by 2 is 70, but we have to multiply 35 by 20. So how you will write this? 35 multiplied by 20. Yes, it is 70 and this 0 we will write on the right hand side of the 70. So we will get 700. We will get 700. Yes, so how you will write this? Firstly, we have written 105. 35 multiplied by 3, it is 105. Then 35 multiplied by 20. How you will write this? This is 700. We will write from start writing from right hand side. Ones, tens, 100. We will write ones, tens, 100 like this and we will write it carefully. Yes, after that we got these two products. This is 105 and second is 700. We will add these both. 5 and 0, 5, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 7, 8. So we got 805. Then what is the product? That is 805. Now see one more example relating to this, that is 84 by 26. 84 by 26. What will be our first step? We will write it in expanded form. What will be the expanded form of 26? It will be 20 plus 6. What will be expanded form of 26? It will be 20 plus 6. Firstly, we will multiply 84 by 6. Then we will multiply 84 by 20. Firstly, when we multiply 84 by 6, what you will get? 6 4s the 24, 2 carry, 6 8s the 48 and plus 2, it will be 50. So we got 504. So 84, firstly we will multiply 84 by 6. We got 504. Then what will be our second step? Our second step will be 84 will be multiplied by 20. In 84 multiplied by 20, we will multiply 84 by 2 firstly. When we will multiply 84 by 2, what you will get? 2 4s the 8, 2 8s the 16. We will get 168, but 1 0 is also there. So we will write 1 0 on the right hand side of the 168. It will become 1680. So we will write 1680 from this ones place. Ones place 0, then 8, then 6, then 1. Now we got two products. One is 504 and second is 1680. And we will add these both products. 4 and 0, it will be 4. 0 and 8, it will be 8. 5 and 6, 11. 1 will be carried and 1 and 1, 2. So we got 2184. Now see one more example relating to this, that is 22 multiplied by 13. Then what will be our first step? We will write this 13 in expanded form. When you will write this in expanded form, what will be it? It will be 10 and 3. 13, when we will write this 13 in expanded form, we will get 10 and 3. So 22, firstly it will be multiplied by 3, then after that 22 will be multiplied by 10. When you will multiply 22 by 3, what you will get? 3 2 is the 6, 3 2 is the 6, we will get 66. So we will write here 66. We have multiplied 22 by 3. Yes, we will get 66. After that, what to do? 22 will be multiplied by 1 tens. 1 tens means 10. Here is written already. 22 will be multiplied by 10. 22 ones the 22, and this 0 will be written on the right hand side of the 22. So it will become 220. So we will write our second product, that is 220. Ones place digit, tens place digit, and then 100 place digit. After that we will add these both products. 6 and 0, 6, and 6 and 2, 8. Here is 2. So the product is 286. Now see how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Yes, this you can understand with the help of the example. Yes, 212 multiplied by 33. Firstly we will write 33 in expanded form. What you will get? 30 plus 3. Then 212 firstly will be multiplied by 3, then 212 will be multiplied by 30. Yes, firstly we have multiplied 212 by 3. Then what we will get when we will multiply 212 by 3? 3 2 is the 6, 3 1 is the 3, 3 2 the 6. We got 636. So we will write 636. Then we have to multiply 212 by 30. By 3 we have done. Then we will multiply 212 by 30. So how we will multiply? Firstly 212 will be multiplied by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 ones the 3, 3 to the 6. We will get 636, but we have to multiply it by 30, so 1 0 is also there. So 636 is right hand side, that 0 will be written. So it will become 6360. So how you will write this? Firstly, first product was 636 and second product is 6360. We will start writing from ones place, 0 here, 6 here, 3 here, and 6 here. After that, these both products will be added. 6 and 0, 6, 3 and 6, 9, 6 and 3, 9, and here is 6. So the product is 6996. See one more example relating to this, that is multiply 115 by 23. So our first step will be to write 23 in the expanded form. It will be 20 plus 3. It will be 20 plus 3. So 115 multiplied by 23. Here we will firstly multiply 115 by 3. When you will multiply it by 3, what you will get? 3 5s are 15. 1 will be carried. 3 1s are 3. Plus 1, that will be 4, and 3 ones the 3, that is 345. So we will write here 345. Now what is second product? 115 will be multiplied by 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Yes, 115 will be multiplied by 20, but here firstly we will multiply 115 by 2. 115 multiplied by 2. 2's 5's the 10, 1 carry, 2 ones the 2, and plus 1 3. Again 2 ones the 2. We got 230. But here was 1 0 with that 2. So this 0 will be written on the right hand side of the product. Yes. So we got 2300. So we will write this 2300 like this, as you can see in this, and write the digits according to their places. After that, these both products will be added. 5 and 0, 5, 4 and 0, 4, 3 and 3, 6, and here 2. So the product is 2645. Yes students, hope you have understood this concept. You will get this concept more clearly with the help of the practice. Then you will come to know these type of sums. Yes, hope for your best. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.